Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing spreads. All right, we want to compare fixed spreads and variable spreads in forex trading. Right now in forex trading, every time you enter a trade, you pay a cost called the spread. All right, this is the difference between the buy price and the sell price. You can see the line here representing your buy price. You can see this line here representing your sell price. So now there are two main types of spreads. We have the fixed spread and the variable spread. All right, fixed and variable. These are the two types of spreads that we have. Now a fixed spread stays the same no matter what is happening in the market. Whether the market is calm or highly volatile, your spread does not change, right? The difference between your ask price and your bid price remains the same, irrespective of the volatility in the market. So this gives you predictability. You always know your trading cost. On the other hand, we have the variable. The variable spreads change depending on market conditions, right? Depending on market conditions. So when the market is quiet and liquidity is high, okay, I'm just going to remove this now, yeah? So when the market is quiet and liquidity is high, spreads are usually very low. That is for the variable, right? But then during major news events or high volatility, you will notice that the spreads will begin to widen significantly. So which one is better? It actually depends on your trading style, right? If you are a scalper who enters and exits trades quickly, variable spreads might be better because they are usually tighter during normal conditions. But if you prefer stability and you want to avoid sudden spikes in trading costs, fixed spreads might be more suitable. The key is to understand how spreads affect your entries, your especially during volatile periods, right? So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.